E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals is your premier choice for reliable and efficient dumpster rental in Herndon, California. With a strong commitment to exceptional service, we cater to the diverse needs of residential, commercial, and construction projects. Our experienced professionals ensure you receive the correct dumpster precisely when and where you need it, making waste management effortless and hassle-free. At E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals, we understand the importance of maintaining a clean and safe environment. Our streamlined rental process, competitive pricing, and flexible scheduling options are designed to provide you with the best possible experience. Whether you're undertaking a home renovation, managing a commercial cleanout, or overseeing a large-scale construction project, we have the right solution for you. Trust E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals for all your waste management needs in Herndon, California. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we are here to ensure your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Contact us today at 559-417-7599 or visit our website at www.eetransportllc.com. Dumpster Rental Herndon, CA to learn more about our services and to book your dumpster rental. E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals, efficient, reliable, and dedicated to excellence.